Welcome back to another video of Yours App, and once again it's another video of should you buy it. And today I'm going to be showing you the Mi TV stick and what is it. So let's get started. So guys, let's get toward the Mi TV stick. So there's the box of this and let's get unboxing. So first of all, you have all these features. It has YouTube, it has Netflix, and then you can see it's here. You got all those features here: Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Google Play, Google Movies, Google Play Games, Google Music, and IMDb. So what's included in the box? You have a Mi TV remote and a stick, obviously, which is going to go in the HDMI side, and then you have a power adapter for the adapter. And then here it shows the features. It only has 3 steps here, so it's like you just need to attach the Mi stick into the TV in the HDMI port, then connect it to the internet, and then you can enjoy all these apps. So let's start. So open the seal before. So you open it like this. Then first of all we have here is the remote. So this is the Mi remote. Let me show you how it is. So this is the remote, and it has Google Assistant, so this paper came with it. So as you can see, there's this Google Assistant button on here, so you press it and then you have Google Assistant. And this is all remote. You get the Netflix direct access here, and then you got Prime Video, and then the volume and all this stuff. There's the controller or the remote, and then I think the battery goes in here, and there's a remote. Let's go toward the next thing, which is this whole thing's gonna work. So this is the box is done. So yeah, we have some manuals here. So now we're done. Let's close this and keep it aside. So it comes with few manuals. First one is about the Mi TV stick. Then the second one is also something about that, like all those safety protocols and terms and policies. And this one is like how to apply in the manual. So let's keep it aside. So this is the TV stick right here. This goes into the TV, and let me remove this plastic. I recommend, if you are using it, not to use the plastic as well, because it might be hot and then it might be affecting the plastic. So there's a TV stick. So you got the branding right here, Mi branding, and then this goes into the HDMI. And then we get the power adapter here. So this is the main plug for the adapter. There's no branding on here, but then there's a plug. And let's keep it here. And then we got this cable. I think it's most probably an HDMI cable to another type of HDMI. So I think it's for the USB. And then when you insert in this, it goes here. So it's something like that. It's for the HDMI, but we already have an HDMI. So I think this mostly, if you do not have an HDMI, you have to put it through here, and then it goes through. This goes in the TV. So I think this is for that, if your device is not compatible with Mi TV stick. And then this is the charging adapter which goes in here. Now I think this is used to charge. I don't know why they have given this to charge something. I'm not pretty sure, but I'm going to show you a how to and the features of this. But before that, I'll just go straight to the review, because after that I'm going to show you the tutorial and how to. So this is actually an Android device. So most of you who do not have devices or latest TVs, smart TVs, you can use this to make your TV Android. So this stick here has all the Android features as showed you recently or before in the box. It has Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Google Play, all these services. So you can play video games, you can watch videos, you have a lot of video streaming platforms and everything. And you even have the Google Chromecast feature, which is right here. It says the Chromecast is built in, and then it's Android TV. So it seems something like this. I'm going to activate it and show you guys in a bit. So I think it's an ideal thing, mostly if you already have a big TV like a 60 or 65 inch TV, which is an LED, which you bought like 5 or 6 years ago, and then you don't want to change to a smart TV because you already have a big TV. So then this thing is the best. You can just apply this to your old TV and then you can get it edged. You can get the YouTube and all those Android features. I already have a smart TV which I usually use to play my games on the Xbox and all that stuff. But then I still have another TV which is an LED, which I bought around 5 or 6 years ago, and then it's not smart. So for that I bought this device to test it out, how it works and how it is, because I was really attracted to this device. This looks really awesome, so we'll try it right now. And this was the review for this. I think it's a really cool device, and comparing to its competitors such as Amazon and especially Apple TV, it is equally good. And the packaging and all the devices which they've given, like the remote, and the remote is high quality as well. It looks sturdy and it looks really beautiful. You got a sleek and simple design, just like the Apple TV and the Amazon Prime TV. And I don't think you need any subscriptions for this, whereas for the Apple TV you need subscriptions monthly. And then it's also around the same price range such as those, like the equal price, and you get even better things. It's the same price as the Amazon, but I think Mi is still a better brand. I think Amazon needs some subscription as well, but this is free of cost. You get all the apps for free. And now once the review and unboxing is done, now we're gonna get to the how to install this and how it looks on the TV. So guys, I was about to go for the how to and the tutorial, but I just realized that this is not needed right now. It goes directly into it, but I'm still gonna show you later. But then this right here is actually to power, so let me open it and show you how it is. Open it. Remember it twisted a few times. Now it's gone. This is like an adapter, like usually we have adapters. So this part right here, USB, this, let me focus, this goes onto this part right here. So insert it like your usual USB devices. This goes inside, and then once it's gone inside, this is an adapter for it. And then the other part right here, just this goes to the Mi device directly right here. It goes right here. So you just insert it right here, and then you power the device. It needs to be powered, but this isn't direct, like a plug-in. And then you can connect this to a power adapter or power source, and then this connected to the TV. So this I wanted to show you that this is the purpose of the extra cables they've given. So let's get towards the TV and how to apply. So guys, now we're gonna do the how to. This video was actually recorded like 2 days after, and the first part was like 2 days prior to this clip. So I just got free time today, so I thought I'd just show you how to do it. So guys, first of all, as you know, I showed you this Mi stick before, and I also told you, like the one clip before this, you have to insert in here, you have to insert the socket in here. So we're gonna take this and start inserting in here. Guys, now it's inserted, like I've put it in. So this is the adapter. So now we have to put this is on the back. So let me show you how to do it. So this is, we put it, this is the HDMI right here. This is the HDMI 1. This is the HDMI 1, and this is HDMI 2. So we're gonna put this in the HDMI 1. Sorry for the bad quality of the lighting, there is no light behind here. So once this is done, you have to take the adapter and put it in. So I've already plugged in the TV. This is the TV adapter. This is the other adapter. So let's take this and insert it in here. So once it's inserted, the light will start to work on the Mi. And then let's start with the TV. So let me turn it on from behind. Right here. We have this right here. The TV is turning on, and we turn, so it's now open. It's connected to the HDMI 1. I've kept it as game because before I used to play on my PS3 on this TV, but now it's also, I've used it as the Mi as a Mystic TV. So you even got the Netflix button and the Prime Video. So you see, I got all of this here: Squid Game, Money Heist, all those shows. You got Netflix, and even if I press this, Netflix would open. You could go home, then you can go to apps. I've already connected a Wi-Fi to this, but it says it has no access. But you can sign in. I set up all the language and everything, so you can do it as well. And let's go to the settings, and I'll try to. Okay, then my internet is connected. So I didn't put any Google account, but you can put a Google account here. So let's go to YouTube. So it works here as well. Let's go inside. Netflix, I didn't turn it on, but it works as well. I don't have a subscription for Netflix, but yeah. By the way, here two batteries go in here. Two batteries in here. Small, like singular battery, I guess. And then everything works. All this works. You can sign in to have your custom. I didn't sign in, so you get other kind of things. You got an air console, so you can play games on this. You can connect your phone and then you can play games. So that's something I really like. You got Prime Video and all those things. You can also download apps from the App Store. You see there are the apps. Once you press on this button right here, this one, I got get more apps, and you can go to Google Music Play Store and play games. On Play Store you can only download apps. I don't have the Google signed in, but then also you can use the Google Assistant. So press this, yeah, it turns the Google Assistant. Right now I don't have I didn't sign in, so I'm not gonna get the Google Assistant, but this is pretty much what it is. You got Mr. Beast, and he's everywhere, and then you got everything right here, and then you can just download apps, and that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. I'm gonna end the video here. I gave the review before, and thank you for all the support. I've said this before as well, but I'm really thankful for all the support. Keep on supporting me. I'm gonna also put another video really soon, some more reviews. I have recorded this video and a few other videos with this, so I don't know whether I'm going to upload them after this or before this. For sure there will be a video. I'm not gonna spoil it, but you can check it out. I'll put it in the end card for sure. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.